Hello?
Hello, yes, this is Officer Paniago, West Palm Beach Police. Am I speaking to Ashley?
You are. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? I see that you called us about a neighbor. Is that correct?
Yeah, I was taking a walk and I heard some water running, and I always wave at everybody. So I looked over and my neighbor was outside watering his front like driveway, walkway area. And I noticed he didn't have a shirt on. And then I noticed he didn't have anything on and everything was completely exposed. He's about 75-ish, so I got concerned that perhaps he needed like a wellness check. Just to make sure. 'Cause, I mean, I've lived here for 8 years and I've never experienced anything like that. And so that's why I contacted you guys. And then he just went to leave. And so I'm still in my driveway. So I was like, excuse me. And I said, I just saw you a couple of minutes ago outside watering your front yard. And he just kind of gave me this, haha, yeah, look. And I said, well, is everything okay? That's really not normal for you to be completely naked. And he was like, it was only 12 seconds. And I said, I don't care how long it was. And I said, I called the police to do a wellness check on you because that's not mentally stable to be out front completely naked. We have kids in this neighborhood. And he's like, it was only 12 seconds. And I said, well, that's perverted. And he's like, well, that's a heavy word. And I said, well, doing what you did is a heavy thing. And he was like, well, I have 8 grandkids. And I said, I don't care. If my daughter were out here or any other child in the neighborhood, we'd be having a completely different conversation right now. And I said, it's completely inappropriate. And then he just drove off and he circled around and went back to his house. So he's there now, but he just thinks that it's okay to stand outside completely naked. And I'm saying completely, like no socks, no shirts, no shoes, no problem. Like I've never seen anything like that. My neighbor is one of my other neighbors is here now because she's lived in the neighborhood for 30 years and has never seen anything like that. There are a ton of kids in this neighborhood and he's just nonchalant about it.
97 in the area.
Okay. And do you know this guy's name by any chance?
Do you know his name, Susan? No, I don't know his name.
The 20...
Past. If it's, or whomever comes past. But can you just stand outside naked?
So, generally, no.
I don't know the laws.
Generally, no.
Property, I don't know.
Yeah, like, for example, if he would have a fence around his property and he was on his property with the fence closed, then he has what's known as expectation of privacy.
That makes sense.
But, if he's just out and about, gunslinging, then, yeah, no, that's...
Yeah. That's what it was. He just in the front driveway, the walkway is probably still wet. So, and he fully admitted it in front of myself and my neighbor.
Did he say it was an accident, or he was just reiterating the fact that it was only 12 seconds?
He just kept doing like a cutesy winky face at me, like he was proud of it. It was gross.
Okay.
Yeah, it was really gross.
Is he a white male, black male, Hispanic?
White.
Canadian.
Yeah.
You're from Canada.
Well, typically Canadians are from Canada.
Sorry.
Yeah, my daughter runs around the street on her skateboard. There's so many kids, literally 5-year-olds. Yeah, plus I don't want to see that. But I can handle it. There's so many kids in this neighborhood running around, and then his excuse was, well, I have 8 grandkids, and I'm like, I don't care. That doesn't mean you get to go, like you said, gunslinging all over the neighborhood.
Okay. And is this like the first time he's ever done this that you know of?
That I'm aware of, yes.
Okay. Yeah, we'll swing by and see if he's okay, and we'll go from there.
All right, I appreciate you. Thank you.
No problem.
24 Panic 95.
Vehicle clear valid on a black Tesla 17 out of Boca Raton.
No problem.
$63.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And I know why you're here.
Okay, why am I here?
Because it's the first time, believe you me, in my life.
Mhm.
I was watering the plants today,
Mhm.
coming out of the pool. You want to see the pool?
No, it's fine.
So I was watering the plants, and believe you me, not more than 1 minute. I was here in the door, not even outside, watering these plants, and I was careful, and this woman came by, and she phoned you.
Okay, what were you doing besides
Watering
watering
the-
the plants?
Watering the plants.
Okay, so we got a call about you being in the nude. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so granted, you can be in the nude inside of your residence all you want. However, if you are readily viewable by a public eye, that is a problem.
It's my mistake.
Mhm.
I know. I will not do it again. Promise. And if you go back this way, talk to her, because I talked to her. I
Mhm.
was going by, she waved at me very politely, and I told you what I'm telling you now, and I said it won't happen again, don't worry. I have 6 grandchildren and 3 children, and I understand that.
I got you.
Thank you.
65 hours.
How do you pronounce your first name?
Aimé.
Emma.
Yes, La Liberté.
French?
From Montreal, yes.
Okay, Canada.
Canada, yes, sir. My wife is American. I'm still a pilot at age 73, and I know the rules and all that. It's a little mistake, but you know what? 15 seconds only. I was out. I
So,
was not even outside.
This is the thing with 15 seconds. So I get it. You know, it's a quick in and out kind of thing.
Yes.
However, you know and I'm just gonna educate you real quick.
Okay.
In the state of Florida, even if it's 1 second, it's considered public indecency. So I get it. 15 seconds might not be anything, or might be really quick,
Yes.
but even that is too much in terms
I know.
of things like
Good
that. So,
afternoon.
and next
Good
time,
you?
wrap a towel, put
Yeah,
this
yeah,
robe, put something on. That way,
Yeah.
you're not completely, uncovered,
I do understand.
and there won't be any issues.
Okay.
Granted, today it's just, hey, we'll talk about it. You kind of get to the idea of what it is, and there won't
Yeah,
be any
yeah.
more.
It's a mistake. 15 seconds only. Watering the plants again from the other side, but I do understand that, and it won't happen again.
Perfect.
I promise. Gracias. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you, gentlemen. Please stop at her home and tell her what you told me and
Yeah.
that I do understand. Okay?
No worries.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
she
All
says-
right, I'm
she
over
says
this
to-
conversation, John.
she
I
says-
love
she
you,
said-
but
she
listen.
says
So
to him,
if something
"You
were to
guys don't have
happen
dogs. Your sheriff
again
has
and
dogs."
say it's a
You think
kid
these
that
idiots
sees
know?
it, then it matters. But because I'm an
Yeah.
adult, it doesn't matter.
No, that's not at all what it
Okay.
is.
No.
Can we explain what's going on? Sorry, I'm going to cut you off because I've
Yeah, so there's two very distinct things. So one of them is a lewd and lascivious activity, which would be him being naked doing a sexual pleasure act on himself in a public eye, which that wasn't it. The second thing would be an exposure of sexual organs in a public setting, which
That
granted,
is it.
if he was walking down the street, walking this way butt naked, that'd be one thing. From my understanding, he was on his property. Granted, I talked to him. He said that, I only did it for a quick second, and it was just to water my plants that were right in front of my house. I was like, okay, well, you can't do that, because if somebody sees it, now we have an issue.
Somebody did see it.
Correct, you. Now, am I going to be able to charge him for it? Not right now. It would have to have multiple offenses for that one thing. Because if he says...
So next time if I took a picture of it, could you do something?
No,
Or had I taken
the
a
picture
picture?
has
Doesn't
nothing to do with
matter.
it. No, picture has nothing to do with it. Yeah, picture has nothing to do with it. Right now it's what he's saying is I stepped out really quick to do this and I stepped right back in. If that's the case, I explained to him you can't do that. Put a robe on, put a towel on, put something on to cover yourself. He's like, oh, my mistake, I won't do it again. Now we have documented history that, okay, he's aware of the situation, and I explained to him what the charges would be. He understands everything, so if it happens again, at that point, we can go ahead and put charges on it for exposure of sexual organs.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's the difference.
Okay. I
Is there like a
appreciate
ticket
knowing that.
number or something that shows that
We have
you're
an incident number.
an
Yeah.
incident
Because
number?
I can always call back in and get an incident
We can-
report. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be all associated to his address anyways.
Sure.
So if it does come back to his address again, we can always pull it up. We have years upon years of records that could stack up on that address. So let's say next week you call and says, hell, he did it again. Now we're building. Okay, now you're starting to cause an issue.
Okay.
That point, we have to get other people involved, and it's an issue.
Okay.
Hopefully he can hold it together before he
Yeah,
moves.
keep your pants on until the sale is finalized.
I hope he's getting what he's asking. He's asking over 700.
Good.
I'm sure he's getting no problem.
Probably.
It's not for an interior courtyard house.
I don't know. In this market, who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows?
Right.
I appreciate you guys coming out here.
Yeah, no worries.
Hands on
And
when you talk to
explaining
him,
it
right?
to
Yeah, he was
us.
he was fully clothed when
Yeah.
I talked to
Yeah,
him.
now he
He was
is.
fully clothed in the car, too.
Yeah. So again, he knows. If there's any more issues, just call us back and we'll handle it.
I will. I appreciate
Great.
it. You
Thank you, guys.
take it easy.
No problem.
Bye.